Why postpone?
Christmas not postponed.
Give them money. Because of money, khala. There is no need to do it.
No issue.
No one day. 1 year
Okay.
tomorrow.
Guys, now as per the what we have decided yesterday, we have not make it as a big Christmas like happy or something celebration, but we have small thing. We have some names in the bowl. So we have some names in the bowl. I guess everybody name is there.
Yeah.
So
Mine, no, mine not here.
your name is there.
No.
So what? This is a very simple thing that everybody has bring a gift for each and everybody. So now, but nobody knows which gift is for you. So this is when you pick your chit, whosoever name is coming, he will come in the front and he will take whatever gift he wants to take. It's their wish. It's their wish.
Can I get my own?
No. Okay. It's your wish. Which gift you want to take it from this. So you don't know what is inside. And before leaving the ground, before leaving the store, we will open each and every gift here only. Okay, that is the crux only. So I will first of all I will invite all my beautiful ladies to have a lucky coupon. Come.
Beautiful, number one.
So listen. Whosoever name is coming, you will tell the name. You will tell the name. That person will come here and take one gift. Okay, please take the name.
Rajan!
Rajan. So we have a round of applause for Rajan. Rajan, it's your choice. It's your choice. Rajan, it's your choice. Whatever gift you want, take it. It's your choice. It's a Christmas.
But Rajan knows what he
Rajan knows what he wants to do. He will not take his own gift, na. He will not pick it. Take anything from here.
Yeah!
Okay? So Rajan is finished. Yeah, Norisa, take one slip. Just fastly take the name. Second lucky person is Pramod. Pramod. Try to have a take it. Whatever you want, take it. Very good. Thank you. Vivian, come.
Sam!
Utsav. Very good. Come. No issue. Thank you so much. Let's have a photo with you. Norina, except your gift, you need to pick a gift, huh? Take your time. Take your time. One chocolate. Okay. Let's finish. Huh? अपना ले लो अपना नहीं लेना है थैंक यू डबल यस सब लेंगे गिफ्ट लेगा ना गिफ्ट के बाद सलीम ओ माय गॉड बिरयानी किधर है टेक दिस वन बिरयानी टेक दिस वन चिकन पाहम ना very good. So, Rafal, take one slip. It's something. Come on.
Anil.
Oh my God, Anil, take the opportunity. Which one you want? Yeah, Rajan, take one slip. Take the name. एक स्लिप उठा, इसके बाद तूने बोलना है. एक उठाओ आप भी कोई. Now next is Norisa. Norisa, come, Norisa. Let's have a round of applause for Norisa. Norisa. Please. Yeah. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Wallah.
Chicken palm.
It's yours now, it's yours. Sorry? Vivian. Right, a round of applause for Vivian also now. Vivian, go for a big one. My God. Arshad bhai.
Biju sir.
Biju. Very good, very good. No, we will open it. Wait.
Shami.
Shami. May I have a round of applause for basic department head. My God. Where is the clapping?
My name is not there.
Take one slip. Take one slip. Next name. We are waiting for
Lloyd.
you. Just drop for Mr. Atif. Let's wait for Atif. Yes.
Arshad.
Let's have a round of applause for Mr. Arshad also. Why this lap is Thank you. Who's left? Lloyd. Lloyd, your chance. Lloyd, open it.
Arnel.
Arnold. Come, Arnold, come. Very good. So, Shekhar will take one name again.
Shaker.
Come, Lloyd, come. So this is the last slip is there, and everybody knows. Everybody knows the name is Mr. Shekhar. So Mr. Shekhar, please come and have the last one. Lucky one. So can we have a round of applause for everyone? Peter. Now. Let's 1 minute. Let's open one by one. Starting from Lorena.
Wall clock.
Wow, Lloyd, you are lucky that you get the thing. Thank you, Lloyd, for the best. Let's have a second, Mr. Biju. And I will not ask who has given this.
Same.
My God, you are a lucky person. You are a lucky person, man.
Same.
Very good. Good choice. Yeah, Shami, come. Yeah, very good. Who has given this? Can I know the name? Who has given this? Rajan. Very good. Thank you, Rajan. It's appreciated, yeah. Whatever you give, that is appreciated. That is appreciable gift for me, yeah. If you think or not think, but this is very good. Thank you, Shami. Yeah, Naresa, come back with your
Biryani.
No. Oh my God!
Too much chocolate.
Wow! Thank you, Salim. Come, Vivian, come. Yeah, you can store in the pack. Wow! 2-piece mug set, a beautiful gift for a beautiful lady. And who's given this gift? Can I know the name? Noraisa. Thank you, Noraisa. Very good. Yeah, Rapal, come. I don't know what is it. Thank you so much.
Chocolate.
Sir, this is your gift, sir. Who has given this? Biju. Thank you, Biju. Thank you. Come, Rajan. It's from Shekhar. I think it's shown inside. Wow! Wow! Very good. Appreciate it. Appreciate. So now we will open the wonderful gift by Mr. Arnold. My God! Wow! Thank you, Arnav. Thank you very much. So for Utsav, I think. My God, very good, very good, wonderful. Thank you so much, Viren, to dedicate this gift to Utsav. Thank you, Utsav. Yeah, Arshad bhai. Yeah, Anil bhai. We will open Anil bhai, and this is from Lorena. From Lorena, this is from Lorena. Oh my God.
Thank you, Lorena.
It's your size only. Very good. Thank you.
शेखर बाकी और मैं ही बाकी क्यों बिस्किट खा रहा है
This is for whom? Arshad bhai. And who has given this?
बॉम्ब
I don't know what is this. What is inside?
फाइल विद द फोल्डर
Very good. You can use, your children can use this as a
File with
precious
the
gift.
folder.
Very good. No issues. See, gift is a gift.
not an
Gift
issue
is a gift and precious gift is a precious gift. So I can appreciate that if you are not able to use, your children can use it. Can I know who has given this gift? Naufal. Thank you, Naufal. Thank you very much. Shekhar, come. Pramod, come.
अरे दो लोग बाकी है
So for Pramod, I guess this is a mug. I guess. Okay. So who has given this? A beautiful gift. Arshad bhai, thank you so much. The last lucky winner is Shekhar.
नहीं देखा है बस
So it's empty here. So you get a newspaper to read it.
promo sir promo
And you get a wonderful chocolate. And can I know who has given this gift?
the last
Who has given this gift? Utsav. Thank you, Utsav. Thank you so much. Arnal and Lloyd. Lloyd, bring your. Yeah. Same chocolate. Can I know who has dedicated it? Thank you, Pramod. Thank you so much. Yeah, come, baby. Come. कोई बात नहीं, जाएगा जाएगा.
उनको अच्छे से बिजनेस होता
Yeah, the same as that, no?
Oh. Very good. And can I know who has given this wonderful sweet? Anil. Thank you, Anil. Thank you very much. So I guess everybody has get the gift, and I believe that everybody respect the gift. No issues, Anil. कोई बात नहीं. You don't like the gift. Who has given this gift? So guys, in front of you. Okay. So guys, I told you from my side, wishes are there for you all. Okay, that is the main thing, and I will wish you all a very happy Christmas. Let's have this small cake. And one or two chocolates for everybody. And I guess your are with you. I get the people who have ordered the McDonald's, they get the McDonald's. What is it, Salim? क्या चाहिए? Salim biryani. McDonald's. Where is McDonald's? Can I have a McDonald's?
Thank you so much. This is my welcome. Paham किधर है? Paham किधर है?
ये बिरयानी है
Paham किधर है? Kaya pala wala rin mga ganito.
Guys, Paham.
थैंक यू गाड़ी ये 5 मिनट रुकने का आई नो एक बच्चा एक मिनट बोल रहा था गाड़ी
Guys, who's remaining? Who's remaining for Paham? Paham, who's remaining?
ये नफुल बिरयानी है ना नफुल ये बिरयानी है ना
कल का रोस्टर क्या है?
बाय बाय अर्नेल
So one, this is veg or non-veg? This is chicken, na? Okay. I will give it to somebody. Lloyd, you have taken your food.
Yeah, finish.
This for anybody. But nobody takes the cake. I don't know. Solid by you लेके जाओ फिर आप.
Salim, your food here.
Solid by ये लेके जाओ.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you guys.